All right, we're gonna start with our march. Get these bodies warmed up. Just follow me. And if anytime you get lost, just maintain this march. Okay, get ready. Right, head tilt. And to the right. Nice and gentle. That feels so good. Now up and down. It's so important to warm up our bodies. Get ready to roll these shoulders forward. Because what it does is it gets the blood circulating, boosts oxygen to these muscles, gets our bodies warmed up. Last one forward, take it back. Makes our bodies nice and limber to avoid injury. And get ready to contract the chest muscles, side view, in and out. Pelvic tilt. And when you press forward, you're gonna give me a squeeze. Okay, left, right knee bend. So as you can see, we're warming our bodies up from the top of our head down to our feet. And speaking of feet, heels up. And if your balance is challenged, make sure you hold on to a wall, you guys. And 4, 3, 2, and march it out. Okay, give me some rainbow arms. Paint that rainbow. Last one. All right. Warm up is complete.